अच्छा, tree represents in memory using array, using linked list. Tree construction using heap, using BST, and using heap. Tree traversal using DFS, using BFS. Tree creation, create a tree from in order and a post order. In order and a pre-order. Post order and a pre-order. Then able tree, expression tree. Able tree, MOA tree, B tree. These are the things we will learn in tree data structure. Please write down different concept of a tree representation in memory using array, using linked list, tree construction using BST, using heap, tree traversal using DFS and BFS, create a tree from in order and post order, in order and pre-order, post order and pre-order, then expression tree, AVL tree, a B tree. Dipali,
Yes, sir.
hello.
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 କୁଆଡେ କଣ ଭଏସ ପଳେଇଲା? ହ୍ୟାଲୋ।
Yes, sir.
ମୋ ମାଇକ୍ରୋଟା ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲା ତ, କାହିଁ କିଛି ମତେ ଶୁଭା ଯାଉନି। ଏବେ ଶୁଭିଲା? ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏବେ କ୍ଲିୟର ଶୁଭା ଯାଉଛି?
Yes, sir.
Different concept of a tree. How they call different concept of a tree we learn. So very important chapter, tree. Acha, here is the A. 1 minute. It becomes a problem. Different concept of a tree. Different concept of tree. Acha, this is a tree. A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, E. Here is a tree. A, B, C, D, E. These are called nodes. A, B, C, D, E is called nodes. Acha, A is a node which has two child B and C. B and C are two child of A. B and C are two child of A. D and E are two child of B. ठीक है. So this is a tree. Here A is a parent which has two child B and C. Parent, the concept is a parent. Parent node. A is the parent node which has two child B and C, and B is a parent node which has two child D and E, child node. Parent node and child node. A is a parent which has two child B and C. B is a parent which has two child D and E. A parent node has a child node. Parent node, child node. So A is a parent node. B is also a parent node. Acha, you are reading different concept of a tree. A is a parent node has two child B and C. B is a parent node has two child D and E. अच्छा देखिए, here is a D is a node which has no child. D is a node which has no child. The node which has no child. देखिए D is a node. D is a node which has no child. E is a node which has no child. C is a node which has no child. A node having no child, that is called a leaf node. Leaf node. Node having both parent and child. अच्छा देखिए, B is a node having both parent and child. B is a node having both child node and a parent node, that is called internal node. Internal node. The node which has both parent and child is called internal node. अच्छा, A is a node which has no parent. A is a node which has no parent. A node having no parent, that is called a root node. Root node. ठीक है. A node having no parent is called a root node. Again I repeat. Author repeat coach. Here is a node A having two child
Your
B
account is
and
currently
C.
being used in another location.
B having
Please
two
log
child
out from the
B
other location and try again.
and E. अच्छा, A is a node. A node is known as a root node. This node is known as a root node. Root node. Root node. And here is a B is called internal node. Internal node. D नहीं. So which one is a root here? They are what?
Yes, sir.
Dipali,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes,
Are
sir.
mo mic kita kono subune na kono? Hello.
Hello.
हाँ, ଶୁଭୁଛି?
Yes, sir.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ମୁଁ ମାଇକ୍ ଟା କାଢି ଦଉଛି। ହଉ, देखिए parent node, child node, leaf node, internal node and the root node. A is a root node, B is internal node. What is internal node? The node having both parent and child, internal node. So these are the different concept of a tree: parent node, child node, leaf node, internal node, root node. Next, then we say here is a tree A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is a tree. We'll see what are the height of the tree. Height, depth, and the height of the tree, depth of the tree, level of the tree. Height of the tree, depth of the tree, and the level of the tree. Height, depth, and level. Height, depth, and level of the tree. Height of the tree, depth of the tree, level of the tree. अच्छा, write down height of the tree. Height leaf node towards the root. Height of the tree. Height of the tree is measured from the leaf towards the root. Height of the tree is measured. Sorry. Height of the tree is measured from the leaf nodes towards the root nodes. Height of the tree is measured from the leaf towards the roots. मतलब height of the tree is measured from the leaf node towards the root node. अच्छा, leaf node height is always 0. Never forget, root node height is always 0. Hey, sorry, leaf node. Hello. Leaf node height is always 0. So height of G is 0, height of F is 0, height of E is 0, height of G is 0. Leaf node height is always 0. But the height of C is 1. Height of C is 1. Number of edges connected from leaf nodes to this node. Number of edges. Height of C is 1. Height of B is also 1. And the height of A is 2. Height of the root is called height of the tree. Right? Height of the root. Height of a root. Height of a root is called height of a tree. Height of the root is called height of the tree. The root is called height of the tree. Okay? Height of the root is called height of the tree. Height of the root is 2. Means height of the tree is 2 here. Achha, height always measure from the leaf node towards the root node. Again I repeat. Author repeat those. Again I repeat. Height of the tree. How to measure the height? I do another diagram here. Here is A. This is a parent root node B. Here is a C. Here is a D. Here is E. Here is F. here is a G, here is a H, and here is a I. Here is another node called I. Here is a H. Take this much suppose. How to measure the height of the tree here? Of the tree. Height of the leaf node is always 0. This is a leaf node, height is 0. This is a 0. So height of F is in the left side height 1, right side height 1. So height of E is 0, height of D is 0. For the height of E, height of B is 1, height of B is 1, height of in this way height is 2, this also height is 2. Height of A, the longest path from leaf node, the longest path from the leaf node to that node is this one, eta. Have a longest path, but this is also longest path. So height is 2, 3. Height of A is 3. The longest path from the toward the root node is called height of the node. Please write down height of a node. Okay, height of a node is longest path from node. This leaf node to that node. For the height of a P, here is a path, here is a path, and here is a path. Which one is the longest path? The longest path is this one. 8 is the longest path. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Height is 3 here. Next, here is the height of a C is 1. Height of a C is 1. What is the height of A? Height of A is the longest path. This is not a 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 longest path. Acha, this is exactly a longest path from this node. Which one? This is the longest path. The longest path. Yes, what is the height? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Height of the A is 4. Hello? Dipali?
Yes, sir.
ଆସିଥିଲା ବୁଝି ଏବେ ଶୁଣାଯାଉଛି?
Yes, sir.
ବୁଝାଉଛି ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି?
Yes, sir. Everything is clear. Hello.
ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So height of the tree. How to measure the height of the tree? Again, I repeat. How to repeat it? देखो. Height of the tree is measured from the tree nodes toward the root node. Here is the A. अच्छा देखो. What is the name of this? अच्छा height. Again. A, B, C, D, E, A. Sorry. F, G. You got idea height. Then we see depth. What is the depth of the tree? Depth is always measured from the root node towards the leaf node. Depth is always measured from the root towards the leaf. Depth of the tree always measured from the root towards the leaf. Depth of the root node is always 0. Depth of the root node is always 0. Depth will be the height, the path from root node to this node is 1. Here is also 1. The depth of B and C is 1. Depth of E is 2. Depth of D is 2. Depth of E, F is 3. And here is also 3. This is called depth of the depth of the. Again, I do it diagram. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. How to measure the depth of each node? Depth of each node. Here we see depth of the node. Depth of A is 0. Depth of B is 1. C is 1. Depth of D and G is 2. 2. Depth of J, K, H, I is 3. So depth opposite is height opposite is depth. Please write down the note. Depth opposite is height. Height opposite is depth. Height opposite is depth. Depth opposite is height. Depth opposite is height. So you understand my height? Height opposite is depth and depth opposite is height. Again, depth height opposite. Height is measured from the leaf towards the root. Measured from the root towards the leaf. Height opposite is depth and depth opposite is height. Next, here is a tree A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K. So this is it. Then see level of the tree. Level is the same as level is the same as the depth. मतलब level is the same as the depth. Here is the level 0. This is the level 0. Level. This is the level 0. This is the level 1. This is the level 2. This is the level 3. Level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. Level is same as the depth. Depth is same as the level. Right? Level of the tree, depth of the tree. So you are getting different concept of the tree. Different concept of node, then so how to measure the height of the tree? So how to measure the height of the tree? How to measure the depth of the tree? Level. So different concept of a tree you got idea? कौन पढ़ेगा? What is the parent node? What is the child node? Got idea? Parent node tree. Parent node. Child node. Root node. Root node. Leaf node. Leaf node. Internal node. Internal node. Height of the tree. Depth of the tree. Level of the tree. Level. Level of the tree. So parent node, child node, root node, leaf node, internal node, height of the tree, depth of the tree, level of the tree. Then we see next. Here is a tree. This is a tree having no left child, no right child. A tree having no child. Here is a tree having only one child. A is a parent node having only one child. Here is a tree having two child, B and C. Okay. So these trees are called binary. Based on the binary. They are called binary tree. These are called binary. But here is the tree A, B, C, D. It is called general. It is called a general. According to binary tree, in a parent maximum have two child. In binary tree, in a binary tree, a parent maximum of two child. In binary tree, node maximum node